Hello, good morning, We are live. It is Wednesday, August 26th. We're just getting things going here, getting ready for this session. How are you guys doing, everybody? Taking a quick look at financial juice here. Looks like we have US core PCE that, did this already pass? Yeah, this already passed. We do have crude oil inventories, gas inventories, distillates, NVIDIA earnings today after the session. So interested to see what's going to happen because of that. Should be interesting. Good morning, guys. See if we can get our traders post command pad logged in here. Very nice, very nice. Kyle, hey, good morning. How are you? There we go. How's your session going this morning? Been up for long? Trump suggests that 22 ships passed through the Hormuz last night. Trump reiterates the U.S. blockade in Hormuz is working. Trump on Iran's Ayatollah. I don't think he's away. Something may come out of the CIA director's visit to Russia later today. Loving the dream, hope you are. Yeah, living the dream, hope you are. Attempting to also, yes. Hey, hi Tam, hey, good morning, how are you? Hi Tam in the house. Market's ranging like crazy. Yeah, seems so right now, hey? Green on the screen. Ralph's doing good, thank you. Thanks for asking. Yeah, he's doing good. Where is our midnight open price here? I haven't labeled my midnight open price. Right there. Just remember, nightmares are dreams too. Right, Kyle? Thanks, bro. Yeah, I totally agree with you there too. Nice.
survival is what keeps you strong. Stop, get set, okay, I'm gone. Capital protected tomorrow, we're on. FOMO calling, but I let that ring. Miss money never cost me anything. No revenge trade, no doubling down. If I lose my edge, then I'm shutting it down. And one clean setup comes into view. VWAP holding in the volume comes through. Just stay small, but the target gets wide. This is the moment, now let it ride.
Nightmares are definitely a dream. Trump says prices are coming down. A lot of oil is pouring out of Hormuz. Interesting. Hey, there's Angia. Good morning. How are you? I'm just watching here. We got midnight open price above 29,265. We got previous day's point of control up there. We got value area low. Lots of opportunities for us to turn bullish potentially. You got some good trades today, so you're not going to trade the New York session? Nice, Angia. Nice. Staying flat.
Turn around, but I know
201 for the day. Lone Wolf Blue. Nice, bro. You are on fire. Trading real nice. Those base hits, right? Was that on silver you're trading again, or you seem to be this owning silver lately? Getting a bit of a pullback here. Silver got me out of NQ, right? LOL. I know NQ can be pretty tough to trade sometimes. Let's take a quick look at the book map here and see where we got orders. We got orders down at 29,100. Ooh, looks like price trying to flip bullish here at the moment. And a bit of a volatility here. 29,100, eh? 29,100 is actually Asia lows here. One of the first times now we're opening up in the last few days anyways that we're below the POC and we're below midnight open price. Minus 690 to plus 210. Nice, man. Wow. Silver is a beast.
Next time he won't rush in. Next that candle, brush his skin. Watch the volume, watch the pace. Feels the attention, face to face, risk defined before the click, set intention, nice and thick. If she flips, he just adapts, so rides that wave, letting VWAP snap. Now, in, out, watch, wait, Jim. Violate and jump, in too deep, he's good with that. Violate and jump, now he knows how she reacts. Let it tease, let it breathe, wait to see what he hot believes. Risk is set, his mind intact. Come on, VWAP, bring him back.
So we do have price here making a little bit of a move anyways. We tried to pop it up here to these highs, 29,172, pulled back down into the 55s. Hey Tim, good morning. How's it going this morning, Mr. Tim?
NASDAQ open. Market butcher on the screen.
Ooh, price is really
Jerry's watching candles.
it's really bouncing here.
Somebody better find Gordon.
In a bit of a battle here, pre-market. About 2 minutes here, minute and 45 seconds to the bell. Gooder, nice. Tim, you a good guy, Tim. Are you already at work this morning, Tim?
Big boys active. 2-minute MNQ, now the whole chat's reactive. Skeleton counting rejections of VWAP. Caught one short, now he's kicking right back.
I saw reels yesterday. It said you were trying to short 3 micros, but you got in with minis instead, and you made 600. Was that me, or was that somebody else? And yeah. Oh, Tim. Really?
Chat is the best around. Tim caught up 300, says time for bed while half of the chat is still seeing candles in their head. Spud went
赵成豪，谢谢你。我是大卫，请问你叫什么名字 ？Chris, hey, good morning, Chris. Chris in the house. Chris won an extra duck last night. Congrats on that. Yes, you did. That's like good morning. 早上好。
Now somehow trading turned into everybody's hype. Red says, I'm 5'10". Chad says, you short, right? Well, you asked if I was short. Big Jerry's 5'11", now he's taking offense. As a fly says, that's too tall, sir. None of this makes sense. Donnie went to Mexico, 5'8", feeling tall. Meanwhile, we're supposed to be trading. After all, Ryan's laughing, Dave stealing somebody's joke. NASDAQ moving 20 points while the whole chat's broke. Then Zero Skills whispers, watch out, there's a cop here. Missed line 11 enters. Cover possibly blown. Yojim says she likes working undercover. Then quickly adds, not that I know about that.
Pretty bullish here.
Nobody helped her.
Out of the gate.
So now, she ain't Sherry. Jerry asked for, we're coming. Chat took it too far. A dark side's coming out while we're staring at the chart. Miss says, oh,
Tapping into, there's a PLC, previous day's PLC. We're gonna head straight to midnight open price here.
Now we're feeling great, 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 great. Big boys active. Bobby, candle squirm. Big boys active. Big boys active. Big boys active.
Took off 2 micros there. Here. I was in with 3 micros long here. Let's see if we can't get this guy to run all the way to value area high. Just saw that we're kind of getting up to these this consolidation up here. Figured it's a good time. This could be all because of Nvidia's earnings coming up here. This after the session. You're gonna lock in about 10 points here. Hopefully we can continue this move. Took off 2 of my 3 micros so far. You're done for the day. That was a quick 500 on an NQ long at the open. Nice job, Tim. Jeez, Tim, jeez.
Late night, NASDAQ open. Market butcher on the screen. Wayne's watching volume. Jerry's watching candles. And somebody better find Gordon. W's in the chat.
Come on, guys, let's go. Pulling back on me here.
Wayne sees the spy. Big boys active. 2-minute MNQ. Now the whole chat's reactive. Skeleton counting rejections of VWAP. Caught one short. Now he's kicking right back. Good job, scale. Wayne knows the play. 5 VWAP projections. That's enough for today. Noise says right back up soon. System perfect. Landing on the moon. As a fly says.
Okay, I got taken out on that contract, but then I actually re-entered. So let's see if we can't lock in a little bit more here. Come on, let's go, Bulls. Let's go, Bulls. Got 5 points locked in here. Locking in 15 points here. Are they gonna stop me out here? Yeah, okay. Pretty decent open there, 200 bucks. I was down about $60 in this account, actually. These accounts. 223 in one account. 195 in the other. 223 in the third. Gonna pull back here, back to the POC. We did tap midnight open price there. That was kind of my target for the session there, for the opening bell here. I had my entry a little bit too low. I had an order sitting down at 29,139. You been wanting to learn Mandarin? Nice, yeah. Bazooka. Yeah, Mandarin's is a pretty cool language. Pretty cool language.
Then Zero Skills whispers, watch out, there's a cop here. Missed line 11 enters. Cover possibly blown. Yojim says she likes working undercover. Then quickly adds, not that I know about that.
Found some support at the overnight VWAP there.
Mismade cookies. Nobody helped her decide. So now, she ain't Sherry. Jerry asked for.
This should be yellow. Hey, EC Drive, how you doing? Did you catch any move that long there? Oh, geez, what a crazy, what a beast of a long.
You already know.
You are correct, Angia. Tim's like, yes, I am crazy. Look at that, guys. We're making a new high here.
Coffee in the cup, charts already mapped. Waiting on confirmation, don't fall in the trap. Nasdaq nasty, but we're staying composed. One clean setup, then the profits explode. Liquidity taken, order flow clean. Trading like a boss, you know.
Come on. Why did it go black on me here? There we go. Top of the range on the hourly from all night. Yeah, I noticed that too. Looking back here to the left, we got the midnight open price, which was up there in this area. We do have room up to 300s here. Pretty bullish at the moment. We are currently tapped into a couple bearish fair value gaps on the 15-minute here. Uh, 276.75 is open, high, low, close line. Yeah, I think I forget, somebody was mentioning that yesterday. Was it Lone Wolf? I think Lone Wolf was mentioning that yesterday. And we ended up finding resistance up there multiple times, right?
Everybody screaming, charts looking clean, accounts still dreaming. Lucid trading, Tradeify, blue sky, we're flying high. Take profit, trader, EA, markets too. Every payout's easy, something brand new. Market butch and chat, the best around. Positive vibes, with a winning sound. Lambo's waiting, rocket ignites. See you all on the moon tonight.
Yeah, yesterday's close, yes.
One more payout. One more W. See you at the open. One more payout. One more W. Ow, ow.
Closed a little bit bearish, but we still holding the POC here. We do have orders there, 29,300. That's kind of like where the highs are here. So they're probably gonna go right through this here, guys. It's looking pretty good right now. Not financial advice, of course, but having a little bit of trouble here at the 75 area, which is yesterday's whatever closing balance or something. Midnight open price right up there also. See if we can't get some momentum through this area.
Coffee in the cup, charts already mapped. Waiting on confirmation, don't fall in the trap. Nasdaq nasty, but we're staying composed. One clean setup, then the profits explode. Liquidity.
Yeah, so on Bookmap, we're basically looking like everything's mostly above right now. We got orders up at 75, 80, 90, 300, 312. Not a whole lot below. There is some contracts below, just nothing substantial. Majority of the contracts, the biggest order of contracts is up at 29,300 right now. We got CBD is climbing, so buyers are kind of pumping it right now. Lots of buyers buying at the bid there, or sorry, buying at the ask with market orders. Test and break. Let's see if we can, you know, ideally we can hold the PLC at a minimum, hold the overnight VWAP. That'll say that the bulls are still attempting to go long here. Looks like there's a bunch of if we can just get some more momentum here. You know, Trump was talking about that the oil's flowing, so that should be, oil should be probably dropping here, which would be good for the market. We got Nvidia coming up at the end of the day here also. There we go. There we go, guys. Took off half of my orders there. Locking in 20 bucks here on this trade. I gotta switch over my account here. Okay, gonna lock in 25 points here. 30 points. Just trying to quickly get logged in the right account here so you guys can see what I'm got into here, because I switched my top one futures, log in. Finally to see a little bit of bullish momentum here. See if we can't get a little more bullish momentum here. Don't really want to stop this guy out just yet. Come on, let's get another pop here. Locking 40 in here. Come on, bulls. Might get stopped out here on this last micro. Locking in. It locked in probably about $80 or so. And are we out? We are out. There we go. We got out of that trade. So beautiful. 192 and 2 funded accounts there. So up, you know, almost 400 on those 2 trades. So pretty decent here. Blue Sky up $100. Top One Futures, both accounts up $200 in each. And then $200 in all 3 Lucid evals. Thank you, High Time. Nicely done there. Thank you. Yeah, it's too bad. I tried to add one more contract as we were up just before we ended up breaking out. I like hit buy bid, and then the price just left my order there. So would have been sweet to have a third contract in that one, but you know, not gonna complain here. Not gonna complain. So I guess now what we should be doing is we should try to be patient here, wait for a retest of the VWAP. Hopefully this thing will get some support. We kind of have a low volume node here, 29,279 area. We got 11 people watching YouTube and 9 in X this morning. Did Nick must have logged off for now? Is this going to be his new routine here? Is he's stops playing the market for a little bit and then comes later? Crude oil is bullish. Interesting. Crude's going up. Uh-oh. Thanks, Tim. Well, two test accounts, 200 and 225 green. I'm both gonna call it slow and steady wins rate. Good choice, EC. I like how you come in, you do your job, and then you get out. No need to sit around. You're not like me where you gotta hang out with everybody. But you know, at this point too, like I'm green on my fundeds. Green on my evals, so I'm kind of leaning towards just being flat right now. Again, watching the VWAP here for a potential long. Could take another trade maybe in my Blue Sky account. That one's up $100. Orders below 29,250. Nothing really above at the moment. We do have some contracts up at 29,400. 236 contracts. Looking like we're kind of got a little bit of support below at the moment. Buyers are stacking up below the price down at 250 here. Oh, that's too bad. I did try to enter at the VWAP there. I was a moment too late. Price left me. Price left the building, guys. That's too bad. Don't really want to chase it up here now. That was kind of what I was looking for. I hit the buy bid. I guess, you know, sometimes I need to get in the habit of buying the market rather than the bid. It just guarantees that you're going to get in. Because on quite a few occasions here, I've ended up not getting the entry I was looking for. And then look at this thing, up, you know, probably would have been up about 75 bucks already. We're about halfway from my entry to the TP there. So I'm gonna take this contract off for now. We got some more orders coming, piling back on here. 29,300, 310, 315, 320 area. This is too choppy for me. I've had a weird fill issues since open. Really? Like you're getting some lag? Having different accounts too helps. It gives you the opportunity to stay and keep learning while protecting your gains on the main accounts. Take care of yourself. Take care of you all. Yeah, good call, EC. Good call. What happens when you buy bid? I always buy market. Buy bid just gives you a better entry price, right? Your order goes on the bid rather than on buying the ask, right? So, you know, there's a bid and the ask spread. So when you hit the market, you're however many contracts, you're gonna buy the ask. So that means you're buying on the higher end of the spread. So buying bid just gives you another, you know, a couple ticks basically in your Oh, Tim just made another 500 on NQ long. Nice, man. Savage, dude. Savage. You're a savage guy. Tim is on fire, guys. How many micros are you trading? Are you trading at NQ? One NQ or what? Hey, Dad. Yeah, we're off to a good start. Yep. I locked in. I'm up 200 in my 3 evaluations. I'm up 189 in 2 top 1 futures funded accounts. I'm up 100 in my Blue Sky account. So far, all green trades this morning. Pretty good. We got that Nvidia earnings coming up here after market opens, so all right, we took out the 300 orders there again. 49 contracts on a green buy ball there on the book map at 316 area. Man, I wish I got this freaking long here, guys. Missed this entry by a couple ticks. 29,266 area. Pretty sad about that. Now, when is Tim Cord not on fire is a real question, right? Yeah. Totally agree. Totally agree. So orders getting thicker above here, guys. We got a bunch of orders at 400 and 420. Gonna hopefully try to wait for another pullback here. Since we're starting to expand, let's turn on these deviation bands here. Looking like value area high is going to be a bit of a resistance area. Hey, Nick's in the house, everybody.
Whose house? Hey.
How's your morning going, Nick?
Oh, I went on a freaking rant this morning.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What about?
Bet you can't guess.
Oh, politics.
Trade
guy?
war with Canada. Just yeah, all of the stupids, all of the stupids.
Yeah. Tim, you've never
Right.
passed an eval before? Really? I don't know how.
Wait, what?
Yeah, Tim said he's never passed an eval, although he just made $500 twice today. I mean, trading one NQ is hard though.
One contract on NQ.
Yeah.
I mean, okay, but with your, at least I know with the pre-markets and New York session, you are pretty controlled. Your losses aren't big. Your wins they're not oversized, so you're not really. Couldn't see you having a problem with consistency.
Yeah.
So, all right. I have a major problem with tilt.
Okay.
Okay. That's so. That's the hard one to fix.
Yeah.
That is.
But usually that tells me it's size, right? Size is going to be the big thing for you to change, you know?
Well, it's going to be either size or over trading.
Give me 1 sec, sorry. No, let me go.
So which is it, Tim? Is it size or over trading? Inquiring minds want to know. It's late morning in Asia that kills me. Over trading. All right. Well, you need a lockout button. Trading NQ got me to negative $690 last night. Switched to silver and ended my day plus 201. Lone Wolf, that is impressive. Yeah, that's just impressive. You made back your 600 and plus 201. I like it.
Yeah.
And on silver at that.
Big swing last night. He dug a little hole with NQ and then recovered it.
Says when I lose a trade, I want to get it back ASAP.
Oh yeah, that's a bad way to go about it for sure.
And now, deep thoughts with Dave and Nick. The money that you lose, you do not make back. You make different money back. A loss is a loss. You can't erase it. The only thing that you can do is look for the next best trade, not the next trade to get into, not immediately switching direction or taking another trade in the same direction thinking that it's, oh, this time it's going to go the way I thought. No, that is not how to do it. Wait for the next good setup.
Yeah, and
lock yourself.
Yeah, I was gonna say exactly what you're just about to say there. Go ahead, you keep going.
Lock yourself out. 15 minutes. Shit, an hour if you need to. Depends on how you're trading. If you're micro scalping, if you're holding trades for an hour, 2 hours. Tim, I believe you're holding trades like average 15, 20 minutes. Don't jump right back into a trade. If you have to lock yourself out, do it. I lock myself out all the damn time. Sometimes after a winner, because I don't want to give it back. Basically, it's just get rid of that behavior as quickly as possible. If you stop and just wait for even 5 to 10 minutes after a loss before your next trade, I would be willing to bet, just judging by everything that you've posted, that you'd be passing evals quickly. Also, the time frame that you're trading in. Mm-hmm. What was it you said here? Sorry, I gotta go back a little bit. It's late morning in Asia that kills me. All right, so I see a solution to this problem. Dave, do you see a solution to that problem?
Yep.
Yeah. Stop trading Asia. Stop trading late morning. Trade what you trade best. I don't trade Asia.
Yeah, Asia is hard.
No, wait,
to trade.
I do actually trade Asia, but not heavily. And so, I'll put in big wide stop losses and let it go in a direction that I thought. But that's only recently.
Yeah, you're good. It's a good idea not to trade like until after 8 p.m. Also, if you're gonna trade Asia, like I noticed, like you get lots of big swings, big moves, and it's indecisive. But if you just kind of wait for a couple hours after, especially after that 8 p.m. candle, you can really kind of get into some decent momentum then, right? So just keep that in mind. And yeah, if you find that you're doing damage on those times, maybe that's when you need to be trading one micro instead of one mini, right?
Or
so
not trading at all.
Yeah.
I believe Tim trades micros.
Oh, he's trading minis today.
What?
Yeah, he's trading. He's trading one NQ this morning. He made 2 $500 trades. So you gotta pay attention to your sizing too, right?
Yeah, that's
and if you walk away from let's just say you take a winning trade or a losing trade and you walk away and you come back 15 minutes later and market is still in the same area, then that would be a good indication to say, look, I probably shouldn't be trading this because we're not going anywhere. We're getting chopped up, whatever the case is. So there you go.
I like what Chris said here. That and a reminder that overtrading is going to make you work your day job longer.
Yeah. And Jerry, also, overtrading derives by risking too much and trying to get it back. Therefore, risk has to be where it doesn't worry you to lose it on a day, whatever that quantity is. Yeah, and especially now that you're up $500 and twice, so you're up $1,000. I don't know what your account looked like before that, but I mean, all the more reason to just slow down and trade maybe like 2 micros instead of like 10, right?
Well, I would go one further and say trade 1 micro. If you make another $30 on a trade or $50 on a trade, it's a bonus. But also have a limit. You're already green on the day, so make sure that when you have a trade in, or multiple trades, it doesn't matter, that you're keeping your profits. So allow yourself to continue trading, but have a hard stop. If you lose, say, on a single micro, having a $50 P&L for the stop loss and a $100 take profit. Cool. If you take that $100, awesome. Now you are up $1,000 plus 100. Your next trade, risk another 50. If you lose 2 trades in a row after you're already green $1,100, stop trading for the day. You're already green by $1,100. Leave it at that and be happy with it.
And maybe make sure, get like a TradingView paper account going, and then you can, if you're really that interested in playing around for the rest of the day, just take some paper trades, you know, try to stack that paper trade, build that confidence, and don't feel the FOMO like, oh, I took a paper trade, I could have made that into my accounts. Yeah, you could have, but that's not the whole plan, right? The whole plan is to preserve your capital, right? So
capital preservation should be your number one priority. If you make 1% on an account per day, you're doing really well. You're doing extremely well.
But I would definitely say size down, because one NQ is, you know, you can blow $2,000 in like freaking 30 seconds on NQ.
Yeah.
Trading only New York Open lets your brain rest throughout the day. Yeah, that's another thing too. If you can kind of be patient.
Yeah. Having
mental capital.
Yeah, I was gonna say capital preservation is your number one priority. Mental preservation, or mental capital preservation, that's probably a very, very close second. Could have, would have, and should have in your vocabulary is signs of FOMO. Chris, with little nuggets of wisdom.
Yeah. Yeah, FOMO is real.
Yeah,
it's very hard.
And it will blow up your accounts very, very quickly.
Market butcher, Mustang trader, late night futures, Discord open, charts blowing.
I think one other thing that most people don't realize is when you're trading those prop firm accounts,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm guilty of it as well. $1,000 on a prop account doesn't seem like a lot of money because it's a prop account. You paid between $19 and $300 for the account. So technically that's all you're risking. On a cash account, if you lose $1,000 on a cash account, it's a little bit more of a sting.
Yeah. To say the least.
So one thing you can do is if you're using a trade copier, like Trader's Post, something like that, copy a cash account to your prop firm accounts. trade them at the same time, small size. So when you look at it, you will see a P&L in real cash. That cash account, it sinks in your brain that if you lose $500 in a cash account, that's $500 of real money. If you make $1,000 or $500 or whatever, that's a day's wage. And that's in real money on a cash account. And you're probably going to make that within a 20-minute trade, maybe an hour of sitting and waiting and watching. Make $1,000 a day, 250 days, trading days a year. That's $250,000 on one cash account. Just saying.
You trade micros this morning because I want to pass one of those TOF accounts. Nice. Yeah.
Yerkes-Dodson law is a good thing to research for capital preservation.
Never heard of them, but that sounds interesting.
The Yerkes-Dodson law of arousal and performance. It's a psychology principle stating that performance improves with mental arousal like excitement or alertness, up to an optimal point. Beyond that point, too much arousal causes performance to drop.
Interesting.
Think of it as an inverted U-curve. Low arousal leads to boredom and poor results. Moderate arousal boosts focus and efficiency, and excessive arousal leads to stress and mistakes.
Very cool.
Task influence. The ideal arousal level develops on task difficulty. Simple tasks may benefit from higher arousal, while complex or unfamiliar tasks require a low arousal for peak performance. In real-world use, the principle explains performance patterns in areas like sports, test-taking, public speaking, and workplace productivity. Recognizing your optimum arousal can guide preparation and stress management.
Nice.
Does have limitations. The law is a general guideline, not a strict rule. Individual differences, situational factors, and modern research shows that the curve can vary across people and contexts. So, I like it. I like it.
Jerry's a smart guy.
Yeah, Jerry's always got little nuggets of wisdom. Him and Chris.
Yeah, Chris also. Yeah, very, very good.
And Wayne and just about everybody that shows up in the pre-market. It's weird. I feel like I learned more reading the comments in the chat than I actually show anybody. I just tend to take my little wimpy trades and go on rants about stupid shit. It looks like NQ just pushed down below the New York VWAP.
There's a lot you learn here. Hey, thanks, Chris. I know from the chat, from everybody here, everyone's got great tidbits of information. psychology, trading strategy, everything, all the above.
You know, I am actually really glad that you started doing this with me, because trading by yourself is hard.
Mm-hmm.
It's excessively lonely, and you end up doing stupid shit, and there's no one there to tell you, hey, you might not want to do that.
Yeah. Fall day. I've never had to self-reflect as much as I have since I started trading. Yeah, a lot of people say that too.
Yep.
It's a different beast. You know, when people go to school, they got to learn. When you go to trading school, not only do you got to learn, but you got to learn about yourself too, not just books or
And
strategies.
I think
yeah.
I was explaining to my buddy Joe too. It's you start trading, and the typical mindset, I know, especially for Americans living in larger cities, it's like that hustle culture. It's grinding shit out and working constantly, which isn't healthy. But when you're trading, you have to learn patience, and you can think that you're the most patient person in the world, but when you go from a work environment where your productivity is based on how much you do in a day, and then you start trading, it's the exact opposite. How little can you do in a day? The less you can do in a day, the more profitable you are, generally speaking.
Yeah.
If you can take one good trade in a trend and manage to hold it through the entire trend, you're way better off than taking 40 trades, switching direction, and doing stupid things, getting into trades that you shouldn't be in. My most profitable trades on single accounts, I've actually done with you, Dave, and it was literally sitting, adding to a trade that was in a trend going in my direction. I didn't exit it and re-enter it. I didn't take another one on the same ticker. It didn't switch between, I don't even remember what it was I was trading, but I didn't switch between, say, NQ and RTY or ES. It was just I held that one trade.
Yeah.
For what, 4 or 5 hours?
Yeah.
And did well.
Yeah. There's a difference between busy patience and boring patience. That's what gets people. Yeah.
Yep. And if you can just sit and learn to watch a chart and not click a button, not be constantly doing something, you're gonna end up doing better. The Dunning-Kruger effect curve is another good chart to have in your office. Yep.
Interesting.
Have you ever looked up the Dunning-Kruger chart?
I have not.
I did a long time ago. Somebody else had mentioned that. Oh, yeah. Okay. I couldn't remember what this was. It's a tendency of people with a low ability in a specific area to give overly positive assessments of their ability. Yeah. It's it goes along with that. If you ask the average man, do you think you could hit a baseball thrown by a major league pitcher within the strike zone? 90% of them say yes. I played baseball when I was younger. I worked for the Tigers for a while. There's absolutely no way in hell I could hit a major league fastball.
Right.
Just a straight split fingered fastball. There is no way in hell I'm hitting it.
You'd have to be lucky, right?
Yeah.
Just swing it and just get lucky.
I would have to be extremely lucky. I worked for the Tigers 2 years, when they were in the World Series, and wow. Hand-eye coordination and being able to watch a ball move at over 90 miles an hour and be able to make contact with it with a skinny bat. No, it's not something the average guy is going to be able to do. Economic pulse, look at the stock ticker AZN. All right, let's do that.
Has been doing these last 8 days, including today. You're welcome.
Oh, AstraZeneca. Got it.
AstraZeneca. Yeah. Oh, it's like a medical one?
Yeah, there was a, I believe it was their findings on a cancer medication that they were testing. I believe that's where it came up from. My Charles Schwab account, I get news from them on specific stocks.
Oh yeah.
I think Moderna as well was another one that I got an update on.
mRNA.
Yeah, I don't really pay a whole hell of a lot of attention to stocks, but but looking at that on a 1 day chart, yeah. They had a huge gap up from 160 to 162 between Tuesday and Wednesday of last week.
Check out the hourly or daily chart, Economic Pulse. Hey, long time no see, Economic Pulse. It's been a minute.
Let's see the one out. Did you say, Dave, did you say hourly?
Yeah, he said check out the hourly or the daily chart.
All right, I'm looking at the hourly. Oh, damn. Yeah, thanks for that. If there's anybody trading stocks out there or looking at stock options, this is
looking real nice.
Yep. Yeah, Moderna was the other one on Tuesday the 18th. Oh, that's the one that had the cancer research drug. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So on Tuesday the 18th, it jumped from $62 and went up to 161.80 for the day. And that was on Wednesday the 19th. Yep.
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key.
Well, NQ just erased the entire move there.
Like NQ does. So now, is it going to push lower?
We're in a bullish fair value gap here from the lows. But yeah, I mean, it looks like it wants to go for Asia lows there.
We got 561,000, no, 561,500 for volume on the 1 hour candle here. It's 3 minutes before that closes. Holy shit.
I'll have to check out those. I actually opened a couple tabs with those two people that you're talking about, Jerry. I'll take a look at those at some point today. Do a little research on those.
That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hitting quick. MNQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept. Yeah, that's script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow, we trade again. Alright, guys. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. MNQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm
Trying to decide if I want to attempt a long here or not.
I'm staying out of this for a bit. I had the same thought based on the 29,125 level. There's also a weekly VWAP that we ended up going through by 40, almost 40 points.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the weekly VWAP's 29,193. Starts pushing above that, I'll consider a long, but I'm not going to jump into this quite yet.
Fair enough.
I'm going to actually listen to some of my own advice this time and try and be patient.
So the initial balance just set there.
Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out.
All right. I'll be back. Enjoy the view.
Sounds good.
We just hitting quick. MNQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept. Yeah, that's script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow, we trade again. Alright, guys. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. MNQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the Nasdaq too.
Tradeify doesn't let you trade silver, only okay. SIL, only SL. So is that the micro silvers, I guess? Yeah. When I had switched over to silver, I was trading the big boy SL in a 25K account. Oh, SI, not SL. Gotcha. Wayne says -3 deviation bands. Is that where we're at right now? Yeah, it looks like it, hey? Find a little bit of support in the -3. Pretty volatile today. Lots of news sort of going on. Big T, hey, good morning. How's it going, buddy? Not bad, not bad. Oh, good. You working on any new indicators, or just that one you got there earlier? Interesting how low volume nodes are matching up with fair value gaps. Yeah, I agree. Very interesting. You're always cooking something up, not for release though. Okay. Big Teflon's always working on building the next new indicator for himself though.
All right. Just remember, folks, indicators don't make you profitable.
It's all about how you trade it.
Yesterday was another perfect example. Dave went long, or Dave went short and I went long, and we both made money. Your indicators do help, but your management is where your profits are.
Definitely a buyer-seller battle here at the moment. We do have a bunch of contracts above up to 225 area.
I just took an NQ long at 29,090. Oh, no, 91, sorry. I'm not sure why I'm down on this right now.
Back up to the POC here. Sweat the POC. TP1 on MNQ. Nice, nice.
Well, I just took an $80 loss across a bunch of accounts.
Huh.
My, okay, lesson learned here. For some strange reason, my command pad didn't update my ticker. It was still on RTY and not MNQ.
Uh-huh.
So
I had that actually happen to me the other day too. For some reason it was like on the wrong chart. You just looked at the AZN
Don't love
September
that.
18th option contract. Someone forgot the 1 for the strike price. Really?
So,
Trump to Al Jazeera.
so you know
both
that little
economic
padlock
warfare
that's
and-
next,
Yeah. The
you
padlock.
know that little padlock that's next to the ticker symbol on your man pad there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I accidentally hit that and locked it on
Oh.
RTY.
Gotcha.
So that's great.
That sucks. Yeah, you're like, why am I down right now?
Yeah, it was going up. I looked at my dashboard. My P&L was negative $80. I flattened that position, so I just lost $1,600 because of a stupid mistake.
That's annoying.
All right. Well, that happened.
Yeah, it's too bad.
I mean,
It's annoying.
you know what? That was a stupid mistake. It was my mistake.
And
I'll
now it's
own
a
it.
learning experience. Watch that
Always
little
double
offer.
check your tickers.
Yeah. Yeah, I ended up doing the same thing. I think I got out with like a $5 winner because I was like, what the heck? Why didn't the order show up on the chart? And then I just like hit exit. But yeah, that was annoying when it happened to me also. So somehow you accidentally clicked that button, hey? That's crazy. Pretty small button too to accidentally click, hey? General chat in the Discord for that screenshot. Stress curve. Dunning-Kruger curve. Oh, this is what you saw in the Asian contracts? There's no 1 at the beginning of the strike price. Interesting. Pretty big spread there, 0.9 to 1.75.
Today is looking like a kind of a hard day.
Yeah. I used to trade options, but I haven't traded options in quite a long time. Just been focusing on the whole prop firm situation here. Futures. Really struggling to get through the POC and overnight VWAP right now, sort of the 220-ish area. Found out an interesting fact yesterday. If price reclaims value area high, there's 80% chance it'll go to value area low before it breaks above again. Really?
You must have been watching Arbucci or teammate Alex yesterday.
And is that just current action? Because of, is that like a, what is that platform called? The one that tells you the stats. Can't think of the name.
Edgeful?
Edgeful, yeah. Nice job, Chris. Chris took a bad loss the other night because of a weird fill issue. I've made it back and then some this morning. Yeah, you're mentioning that. I think you said in the stream the other night or other day. You're watching Trading IQ video. Interesting.
So, how you feeling about this price taking the initial balance low here?
Kind of looks like it wants to, eh? Kind of looks like it wants to. You did something and tripled your order. Just got out as soon as I could, so they count in blow. Oh. Smart, smart.
You say the account is blown?
No, he said he got out before the account got blown. MNQ 5-minute MNQ test bar so far. Hey Wayne? Yeah. You went for 4 minis and somehow ended up with 12. Still don't know how
Ooh,
it happened. Wow. Yeah, that's whew.
that sounds like your finger has got a stuttering problem.
Yeah, like tap tap tap. The mouse was on like auto fire or something. You were on your phone at work when it happened? Ooh, yeah. Damn. So it wasn't a mouse hit you. Negative 3 deviation bands here, Wayne?
All right, I just took an NQ or an MNQ long 6 micros.
Nice, nice. That's looking good. We are popping up here. We've got above the VWAP there. We do have some orders above 29, 260, 265, 280 it looks like also. And then some coming on up at 300 also.
I just locked in $40.
Got lucky, you got a reversion to the mean. Nice, Wayne. Good job. Pulling up on sort of like the top of the range of the pre-market consolidation area. Getting pretty close to it. I think that 29,275 was an interesting area.
All right, I just added 5 micros to it. Locking in $70, $69. Right, locking in 130, and I'm just gonna let this go for a little while.
Yeah, again, some nice volatility here. Buyers trying to go. I could go to the bathroom real quick. Be right back.
All right, I got my take profit set at 29,430. Actually, 29,429.50. Not extremely confident that it's going to make it there, but I'm hopefully I'm hopeful. All right, locking in 162.50. All right, made 162.50 on that. So on this account, I'm up 12.78 for the day. All right. Go ahead and took $200 on MNQ.
Trade never decides who I am. There's thousands of choices, all part of the plan. I don't chase highs, I don't fear lows. I wait for my moment, and when it comes, I go. Momentum, yeah. Now we're moving, waited all day. Now the market is choosing. Win some, lose some. That's the game that we play. Protect the downside, live the trade another day. Momentum, let the winners run. One clean trade can change what the whole day's done. I've been high, I've been low. And I finally know you don't have to catch everything, just catch it when it grows. Take the win, take the loss, pay the cost, shake it off. Next trade, new day, same rules, same way. When it comes, ride the momentum. Ride the momentum.
Still kind of like an NQ longs here. We're above VWAP. We are above the 9, the 21, and the 50. The 9 just crossed up over the 21. Everything is stacked on the indicators for longs. And it's been buyers in control for 25 minutes. We do have a pretty big wick on this previous 5-minute bullish candle. So, you know, I am in a long 3 micros at, where did it pick it up? 249.50. So I'm up like $40. Got my stop loss down just below VWAP. Hey, good morning, Angia. Welcome back.
How's that trade going?
Thanks, Wayne. Oh, I'm out of it. I made a little bit of green on it. I'm actually in another NQ long at, hold on, I can't remember what price I got in at. 29,249.50. And it's almost got back to break even. But I got my stop loss down just below VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
I got a take profit at the initial balance high up around 330 level. And it's 3 micros, so I'm not risking anything more than 150 bucks on this trade. The way the market's moved up and down, I don't want to put a whole hell of a lot of risk on. I should probably change my my VWAP to regular trading hours and not overnight. Yeah, that does make a difference.
Yeah. Believe it or not, I still haven't got that top one futures freaking affiliate payout.
Are you serious?
Seriously, I don't know what's going on. Like there was some sort of issue with Tapalti, and then now when I log in and I go like to my billing information, payment information with Tapalti, it says your account has been closed. Contact support. So I've been trying to deal with support about it, and it's like, what is going on here? Like, come on.
That's all right. I was dealing with customer support with Top One because they billed me for accounts that they never reset on TradingView, so I can't even trade them.
Oh wow.
And they've done this 4 times now.
Holy crap.
And the person that I was dealing with was like, no, they were reset. And I'm looking at the chart going, no, they're not reset.
Yeah.
So I went through and canceled all my all the accounts that were there. I'm not giving them another fucking nickel.
Yeah, no doubt.
I've hit the point with Top One futures where they will get none of my money. Well, I made $24 on that trade. I just closed it out.
Mm-hmm.
I may get back into it if it pulls back a bit more, but I remember when the first time I got a Top One futures account, had issues with them then. Their customer support was actually decent.
Yeah.
Now,
you know who?
nope.
It's Lance is their affiliate guy.
I don't give a shit anymore.
Yeah.
You can't solve a simple problem and reset an account. What kind of shit show were you running? And that's a thing. It literally is a push of a button. if I'm looking at my accounts on Tradeify and they are not functioning, they have not been reset, then you're charging me for it and refusing to do a damn thing about it. Well, that sounds like you don't want the business. All right, I got 10 micros in this long. My price is 29,258. I'm up 227 at the moment. We did just hit the top of a bearish fair value gap and it's pulling back, so I may be flattening this here in
Midnight open price.
very shortly. Oh, is that midnight price?
Midnight open is 266. Yeah.
All right. I closed it, made 87 bucks.
There you go. Nice. Angie, green. Joanne, you're back. How's everybody doing? Oh, that was Angie. Joanne took 200 on MNQ. Nice.
Good job. Nice. All right, I am back in this long, off of the push off of the 21 EMA. I'm out. 45 bucks.
Nice.
To do it again. I got in $112 in risk, and my take profit is up at the 338. Just added another 3 micros in there. Oh, and got stopped out. So I made another 30 bucks. That was stupid. That was a shit trade. Silver looks like it's taking a dump right now.
Popping nice there. Silver's dropping.
Silver's dropping, NQ's going up.
Economic Pulse, you're taking profit at 29,900. Ooh, wow, that's a long trade.
Is that like previous day's high or?
Previous day's high is 421. That's a lot higher than previous day's high.
Wow. All right. I hope it gets there.
Yeah. Did you ever hear what happened with Abby and E8? I noticed she hasn't been on there anymore. So.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I haven't been watching too much of the YouTubes. Do you know something I don't know?
No, the only thing I know is that I haven't seen her on there anymore. So. She probably left them, I guess. Because I was trying to look at some of their old or some of their videos, and she was like not in any of the sessions there. But they got looks like they got some like Spanish guys on, so I'm wondering if they're Angia said where? Five MNQ tests so far. All right, Wayne. Wayne's always on the test bars here. So we're kind of at that 76 area, which is that key. It was like yesterday's closing price or something. We noticed lots of resistance last night. in the Asia session, and it seems like we've kind of tapped that multiple times. We did break through it obviously in the initial pump here, but then pulled back down below it again. So like 76.50 or 76.75 or something like that was like a pretty key level if we're going to get through it. Might see an explosive move to the top side. I just can't be convinced of a breakout above value area high. Are you looking at the developing value area high, you mean? Oh yeah, that's right there, 29,293 area, hey?
All right, I just put a 5 micro long off of that bounce off of VWAP.
Okay, nice. Let's see this thing go here. Get back up to that 76 and take it.
All right. Just added another 5 to it.
Don't pull back here. There we go. Bouncing off that view up again. Come on. We just need this thing to flip green here. Flat long. Wayne.
Stop loss. Another lesson. Another chart.
That lost 150 on that one.
Yeah, it's not a very nice trade there, that guy. Heading down on us. Felt like this was going to be, you know, a little pullback before the bounce, but, you know, this market is just chopped. It's chopped.
Yeah, this is a rough market right now.
FVG VWAP, back to VWAP, back to me. Frank the Great Pirate sleeps by my side like he knows another trade just died. Ralph the Frenchie starts to snore. He's seen the street all before. The screens are blowing in the
Should have exited at +2 deviations. Have a great day, everybody. Okay, Wayne, you're out of here, hey?
Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. If you ain't ready, NQ dirty, E is clean. The setup always looks obvious after the screen. One more level, one more trade, one more lesson, one more day. Base hits, not glory, just another chapter in the story. We're walking down the boulevard of broken trend lines. Every stop loss turned to wisdom over time. Funded account survives another night.
5-minute MNQ shakeout. Those dogs got me. Yeah, I know, right? Look at it. All the way back up. All the way back up.
The market closes, the candles come, the candles go. Frank keeps watch, Ralph dreams deep, and somewhere another trend line breaks. Stop loss.
So what you on here, Dave?
Flat at the moment. Kind of, yeah. Not sure what to do here. We did find support at the overnight VWAP, but I don't know. I'm probably thinking we should just wrap it up.
Yeah, I'm looking at this and thinking that I don't really feel comfortable with taking a another trade right now. I mean, I'm green for the day by a little bit, and I think that I'm gonna have to be satisfied with just a little bit of green.
Yeah.
That's I took 3 losers and 4 winners, so yeah, I think I'm done for the day. Then I switch tabs and it says order filled. I get scared.
Yeah. So annoying when it happens.
Yeah. Well, Dave. Yeah, I
Yes,
got
sir.
nothing else.
Yeah.
So I will see you tomorrow morning.
Sounds good. Look
I'll
forward
be
to it.
in again a little bit after New York session opens, and
You got a new
yeah.
routine here where you're avoiding
yeah,
the
I'm
after
not.
open or
I'm
what?
trying not to trade that first 15 minutes. So I'm not even. I'm just turning off the computer. I'm stopping. I
Yeah.
went over my charts. I'm not doing well that first 15 minutes. When I do take a winner, it is a couple $100. When I take a loser, it'll blow through my stop loss and I'll be out 800.
Yeah. Yeah.
So not
Fair
gonna
enough.
bother with it.
Hmm.
I'm trying to follow my own advice and close the computer and not act like a degenerate gambler.
Yeah.
So I will see you tomorrow.
Sounds good.
All right. Thanks, everybody. See you in the morning.
Okay, guys. Yeah, let's wrap it up here. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate you guys, obviously, as usual. Had fun on the evening stream last night. Need to take care of some, normal life situation stuff here. So thanks, everybody. Wayne, Jerry Trades, Angia, Tim Core, Big Teflon, Lone Wolf, High Tam, Economic Pulse, EC Drive, Joanne, Kyle Shees, my dad, and Fall Day today. Or all day today, sorry. I always say fall day. I have to walk to you. Slippage sucks in my internet. I'm getting better fills on mobile. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, all right, guys. So thanks a lot again, and yeah, we'll see you guys. Tomorrow morning and tomorrow evening. Might try to do an impromptu stream. Kind of running out of days on the end of the week here, but yeah. Thanks everybody. I appreciate you guys, and we will catch you later, guys. See ya. Maybe not, Chris. I'm not sure. I got to take care of a bunch of stuff, so I might not be able to. But I will let you guys know in the Discord if that does happen ahead of time. Later, Big T. Later, Wrong Jim. Bye, Angia. All day today. Thanks, everybody. See you guys.